Hello. This is the tutorial for Easy Catalogs. On the left side of your screen, you have the option to choose the template that suits you. When you select a template, create a front page. Double-click to edit a title. You can resize the title and select the appropriate position. Choose font. And choose the color for the text and color for the background. You also have the option to add more text to the front page and the option to insert a background image. When you finish the front page, you can customize a header. On the left side, you have header text, font, size, and weight. Choose position for header and transform it. Select the text color and background color. Next, you can set all other options in the same way. In Custom Product Data and Styles, change font, size, weight. Then select which option to display in the catalog. For example, if you want the title variant to be displayed, you check the box. Then customize it. Also, if you want to compare prices in your catalog, check the box. Select text and adjust margins from top. Choose a color and position. The next option you mark in the catalog is the price. You can also change the position, color, size, and weight. And then you can do all this with other options. Show tags, inventory quantity, product options, product description, weight, tags, vendor, product type, barcode and QR code. You can also add a buy button to the catalog. Change the position, margin from the top, border radius, and others. Add a discount to the products and you can change the footer at the end. Insert footer text, then change it like all other options. Your catalog is almost done. After footer, import product collection. Then add products from one and more collections. Finally, create your back page. Insert text for your back page, choose the size, color, and position. You can also add new text and background. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on the button Generate Catalog.